have a lot of surprises planned. They're exciting and I hope you guys like it. Yes, ma'am, taking notes right now. Whatever you wish for. Hey, of course we do. Of course we do. That was like the first thing I told Sushruti was like, okay, I need clothes even for like really small people like me. So please make it. Thank you. I can't believe that it's been 1 year. Sorry that I'm late to the session. I really did not know how to connect from one account to the other, technologically challenged, unfortunately. Thank you so much. Always, always, always. I do try to, as an actor, you just have to always be there and put on a show. But I think if you dig deep, you can always see how I'm feeling by what I'm wearing. I really don't know where this rumor started, but just like 100 other rumors, not true. Hyderabad is my home, will always be my home. Hyderabad has given me everything, and I will continue to live here very. I mean, I did the easy part. I have this amazing team headed by Sushruti. There is Richa, Arushi, there was Jelin, Preetham, and there are a lot of names that. Yes, I'm very grateful for Sushruti. Very, very grateful. She's a strong, hardworking woman, and that's very inspiring to see. She manages Saki on a day-to-day basis, and she has. This is a wonderful idea. Why not? Yeah, of course. I would love to collab with Nush and with other designers. It would be amazing. Oh yes, one pic of the Saki team coming up. Did we not post a pic of the Saki team? Okay, nevertheless, one more pic coming up because the team has just been amazing, amazing. So happy. That favorite dress. I do love dresses. I love dresses. I think that they are classy and feminine, and I do love dresses. Challenges we faced, I mean, there is the pandemic. That was everyone's challenge. And also, I'm always used to working alone, and now I work with a team, and that initial fear was there, but that has been the only priority, to give you high quality at affordable prices. This has been what we have always worked upon, and we will continue to work upon, and we hope that all of you are extremely. With all of the issues that we faced, we still feel like we had a big win this year. We overcame so much. We received so much of support and love from you, and that's a big, big win for us and encourages us. I always knew I'd give it 100%, just like with everything, I give 100%. And thankfully, I have a team also that gives Saki their 100%. So I am extremely grateful. The happiest moment has to be the launch of Saki. We did extremely well, more than any of us expected. And that was a great, great day. We were like so excited all day. So blessed. There's not a single day that I wake up without feeling a sense of gratitude for everything that I have received, the love, the appreciation, and the respect. And I work hard every day to be. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, Saki team, look, someone loves our clothes. We're just so happy and grateful that you guys show us so much support. We love you. These are definitely part of our future plans, and we will be adding a lot more styles and a lot more options for you guys to go crazy with. Shravan, you're not gonna let this go, are you? Okay, fine, I promise. Okay, I can't make this promise without Sushruti, but okay, I promise menswear. Thank you so much for all your questions, and thank you from the team, from me, for making Saki's first year such a grand success. We love you, we appreciate you, and we are really looking forward to giving you the best of fashion.